to start Tuesday off here by talking about a series, or starting talking about a series of videos about lists and tables in Excel. So first thing we'll deal with is a list. Now, a list in Excel can be set up on an individual sheet. And on that sheet, you want to make sure that your first row contains headings. Not necessarily row 1 of the Excel spreadsheet, just the first row of the actual data. Then, when it comes to your actual data, you want to make sure things are consistent. So, for example, none of these invoices are in currency. They're all individual. If one was in currency and you liked the currency format, make sure they are all in currency. If you had a date, make sure that the date is in the same format. Case isn't that important, but let's keep our data as consistent as possible is the message there. An entirely blank row means that your list data will stop at this point as far as Excel is concerned. If you manually selected your whole list, then yes, it would force it, but blank rows, entirely blank rows, will stop your data list. And the same thing could be said for an entirely blank column. An entirely blank column, again, this would be a list here, and then this would be a separate list over here. So no blank rows, no blank columns. All headings should be individual, so no duplicate headings within one list. And a list can contain as many columns as there are in Excel, or as many fields. We would call these fields now. And then as far as rows go, depending on your version of Excel, you're going to have anywhere from 68,000 to 2 million rows or records available to you per sheet. So that's a little bit about a list. Now in the upcoming videos, I'll talk about how to sort them, how to filter them, and how to use a subtotals feature. But for now, those are some rules about setting up a list in Excel, and stay tuned for more videos regarding Excel lists.